Can any type of roach killer be used in the mixture with boric acid?
Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing whether any type of roach killer can be used in combination with boric acid. If you've been dealing with a roach infestation, you're probably looking for effective ways to get rid of these pests. Boric acid is a commonly recommended solution, but can it be mixed with other roach killers? Let's find out.
Understanding boric acid and its effectiveness.
Before we dive into the topic of mixing roach killers, let's first understand what boric acid is and why it's effective against roaches. Boric acid is a naturally occurring substance that is often used as an insecticide. It comes in the form of a white powder and is known to be highly toxic to roaches and other pests. When roaches come into contact with boric acid, they are affected in multiple ways. First, boric acid acts as a stomach poison, causing damage to the roach's digestive system. It interferes with their metabolism and eventually leads to their demise. Additionally, boric acid also acts as an abrasive, sticking to the roach's body and causing dehydration. This further contributes to their elimination.
Compatibility of roach killers with boric acid.
Now, let's address the question of whether any type of roach killer can be used in combination with boric acid. It's important to note that boric acid is generally most effective when used alone. This is because it relies on its unique mode of action to target roaches specifically. Mixing it with other roach killers may not only dilute its potency but also introduce unnecessary chemicals into the environment. Furthermore, different roach killers may have varying active ingredients and modes of action. Combining them with boric acid could lead to unpredictable reactions and potentially reduce their effectiveness against roaches. It's crucial to follow the instructions provided by the manufacturer for each specific roach killer and avoid mixing it with boric acid unless explicitly stated as safe.
Safe and effective use of boric acid.
To ensure the safe and effective use of boric acid as a roach killer, it's important to follow the instructions and guidelines provided by the manufacturer. These instructions typically include details on the application methods, recommended concentrations, and precautions to take. Here are a few general tips for using boric acid effectively against roaches. 1. Identify problem areas. Locate areas where roaches are most active, such as kitchens, bathrooms, or basements. 2. Apply boric acid strategically. Sprinkle a thin layer of boric acid powder in areas where roaches frequent, such as along baseboards, behind appliances, and in cracks and crevices. 3. Avoid direct contact with food and water sources. Make sure to apply boric acid in areas that are inaccessible to children and pets, and keep it away from food preparation surfaces. 4. Monitor and reapply. Regularly check the treated areas and reapply boric acid as needed to maintain its effectiveness. In conclusion, it is generally not recommended to mix boric acid with other types of roach killers. Boric acid has its unique mode of action and should be used as directed by the manufacturer for optimal effectiveness. Combining it with other roach killers may diminish its potency and introduce unnecessary risks. Remember to always follow the instructions provided with the specific roach killer you're using and take necessary precautions to ensure the safe and effective use of boric acid. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video